At Thermal Road Repairs based in Crewe, we offer a unique road repair solution. Our complete systems allow you to create edgeless repairs with minimal downtime, reduced waste, and to a high standard. This unique system is designed, developed, and fabricated in-house. From laser cutting and shaping the components to welding and assembly of both the chassis for our made-to-measure trucks and our patented pulse heat heaters, every aspect of our system is produced here in our factory in Crewe. Our highly skilled and experienced team of designers, fabricators, welders and electrical engineers ensure that every step of our production process is completed to the highest standards possible. We're constantly developing the systems and making improvements and have 2 patents pending on new prototypes. With every part of our service done in-house, down to the branding of machines and vehicles and the associated signage, our state-of-the-art solar-powered machines can provide road repair solutions directly to clients, including highways agencies, airports and private car park operators. Our complete vehicle solutions house our British-made equipment and are heating up the industry. So, for more information on our heaters or our complete solutions, call Thermal Road Repairs today.